Cutting unnecessary frequencies is so important in the mix because you will open more space for other audio materials. In this example, I'm talking about drums channel. Actually, drums bass. Band number 7 is what I added recently when I was revising the mix. What it does is controlling boxiness and tightening up drums. So let's check. So there is less boxiness and more sub presence because Boxy always prevents sub from being audible or being heard better. We still have that explosive low frequency sound that is caused by limiters and saturation plugins. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.